What's going on, everyone? Today I got a 2019 Audi Q7. This is how we replace the remote batteries. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. To do that, there's a button on both sides of the key, okay, right here, that we're going to push at the same time. So we're going to squeeze, and then we can pull the emergency key right out of the remote. Now, what we're going to do is those same buttons, all we're going to do is squeeze them, and then we're going to give this a little wiggle. And what we're doing is I'm pulling to my left here, I'm pulling it out. This is going to pull the battery holder out. So we're just wiggling, and here's the battery right here. Go ahead and just take it out of its little holder. I'll get you the new one, show you what we're working with here. We are working with a CR2032, and notice that it has a positive sign right here. That is going to be facing down in the holder. I'm just going to put it back in the holder like that. Take this guy and stick it back in the remote. We'll give it a little squeeze and it'll go all the way back in, and then we will put emergency key back in, and we're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I appreciate it if you liked and subscribed.